Well, it's been a long and tiring week. I haven't got any videos done this week, but the one thing that's definitely happened this week is orchids. For those of you who don't know, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday this last week was the annual Hilo Orchids Show. It is the largest orchid show in the state of Hawaii. And it will happen every year in the last week of June. And so, if there's anybody out there who loves orchids and wants to take a trip into Hawaii, or you live here in Hawaii, you might want to stop around in Hilo in the last week of the month, last week of June, and come see all the orchids. It was quite fabulous. Ellen is membership chair with the society, and so I can't get out of this without being inundated with orchids. There are orchids everywhere after the show here. Also, as a note, because Ellen's with the society, we sell advance tickets for the show at 40% off the marked price. So if there's anybody out there interested in getting their tickets cheap, I believe that the ticket ordinarily sells for about $5 at the door, and we have them for $3 if you're interested. So you can contact us ahead of the show next year and get a discount on tickets. Yeah, there's orchids in the carport. There's orchids in the living room. And there's orchids on the dining table. And Ellen won first place for this Phalaenopsis here for having the longest drape on the flower spike. Yeah, there's orchids all over the front porch. We got orchids everywhere. Even the orchids out in our trees are performing. This is a beautiful looking Oncidium that has nice autumn gold colored flowers. This is the beginning of summer, but this orchid always reminds me of fall. Well, now it's summer vacation time. And because it's summer vacation time, we are seeing lots more visitors come by, visiting the Green Garden Guys farm, who are on vacation. But as usual, when people go on vacation, sales in the nursery slumps. And we got some good looking stuff here, folks. Come on down. We got plenty of plants. I got some green sapote over there. I got egg fruits. I got Ross sapote. Those are all oddballs. Still got plenty of achacha. Lot of beautiful yacon. Some good looking jackfruit. Check out these balloon peppers. Masdevilla orchids are blooming. Here's a nice orange one. Here's another one in lavender. And even if you're not an orchid, you can bloom. This is a pink lipstick. Dragon fruit has been blooming up a storm over here. I'm out a little bit late this morning to catch the flowers. They're all wilting. But wow, it was really open last night. And even the peculiar orange dragon fruit is going at it here. We got lots of bud. And we even have a little fruit. The heliconias are looking gorgeous, as well as angel trumpet. And the garden is just pumping out peppers. I'm going to have to do something with these. Yeah, the Italian sweet peppers are looking outstanding. Sweet onions are looking good too. Just look at these guys. Oh boy, that's beautiful. Yacon is looking beautiful. It's growing larger than it did last year. I was happy. The tomatoes cropped out real nice and then turned back around. They're regrowing and reflowering, so they're going to take it on for a second shot. They don't usually manage that around here. Strange pineapple collection is looking good. Some of them are just looking strange. The Florida Landrace pineapple is popping back again, only 12 months after picking the last ones. The regular Hilo whites are doing really well. Very uniform, very nice. Sweet corn is almost picked off here. I sold most of it to the food basket. I break the stalks down as I go on any that have been picked. That's why they're all snapped. So I can coup on corn. More absolutely gorgeous white pineapples. It's coming close. I've had folks dropping in on vacation going, "Have you got the white pineapples?" No, I'm sorry. For us, it's usually August, October. The new orchard area in the rear is coming along pretty well. I've moved most of the bananas back here to keep them out of the wind. We got some durian there and some meringue, Ceylon cinnamon, Michaelia champacaoba, and then rainproof mangoes too. James and I just unrolled another 100-foot weed block here down the hill to expand the vegetable garden. That's the vegetables out there. And this will be for future growth. Probably will go to corn next in it. It's a beautiful day. Trade winds are back. It's not raining yet. Here's some sort of a hybrid lilikoi vine, and we're still all kind of arguing as far as what it might be. But man, did this thing set fruit in only 12 months.
Fruit all over in here. It's everywhere. So much fruit.
Helen brought the vine home last year. It was supposed to be a hybrid between Passiflora edulis and Passiflora laurifolia. In other words, a regular lilikoi and Jamaican lilikoi. Now, I don't know whether that's really what this is or not, but it certainly has hybrid vigor. Just planted a brand new papaya here. The leaves are a little different. That's a solo up above it. You can see the leaf on that. These definitely are different rays. It's from Thailand. It's called Kak Dam. I had a friend in California who does exotic stuff send me a few seeds for this. We'll see. I recently set up a 300-gallon stock tank here in the front yard along with my lettuce planters. I'm going to plumb it to the downspout there, so we're going to run roof water into this thing. Right now I'm just catching rainwater in it, but it's already looking beautiful. And right there is a pink water lily that Ellen brought home. Over here on this end we've got lotus. There's another lotus under the bench there, and this little bench is going to be used to hold Ellen's bog plants as they get the water up higher. The ones that don't like deep water, they'll sit on that. And we already got one flower. That was just a little cutting only about a month and a half ago. I haven't done too many videos lately because I've been very busy. I've been doing a lot of picking and such. Anyway, there you have it, folks. Aloha. Thank you for watching the Green Garden Guys channel as usual. Subscribe like all the other guys say, and push the little bell over there for notifications so you don't miss a single Green Garden Guy video. Aloha. Hang loose. Happy 4th of July.